Hello again from WindowRama. Let's talk today a little bit about the condition of your windows. Believe it or not, if you're having problems with your windows, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's time to replace them. Actually, a lot of smaller issues could easily be fixed without having to replace the entire window unit. However, if you have windows that are 15 years or older, some of those issues could be signs of bigger problems and windows might need to be replaced altogether. So let's look at some of the ways that you can check it out today at home to see what shape and condition your windows are really in. First of all, check the healthiness of your frames. Expanding and contracting can have an effect on the joints as well as the material of the actual windows. To determine whether your windows let cold air in, let's do a simple draft test. Use a candle or a lighter and simply move it along the perimeter of your window. If you see a light flicker, this could be an indication that the seal is broken or that there are problems with the hardware inside. Make sure to also examine the caulking all around the outside of your window. If there is a broken seal, this could usually be simply fixed. Check your windows for ease of operation. If you're having difficulty with latches, cranks, or handles, this can be a sign of warped or deformed frame or sash material. Also, examine the quality of the weather stripping. A broken weather strip can allow air infiltration through the gap between the sash and the frame. So pay attention to all of those things. Examine the airtight unit. If the seal is cracked, energy efficiency has been compromised. Look out for signs of condensation on the inside of the pane. This happens in older windows due to broken seals and other components. Also do a final check of the outside of the window because the integrity of the caulking, sealants, and all the cracks in between could be a big indicator of the health of your windows.